All right, so continuing on here, looking at number 6 for our 7 rules of life. Make peace with your past. Focus on being present and creating a better future. So, obviously, your past is full of many events. Some are positive, some are negative. Some are things you've done, some are things that have been done to you that you didn't have any control over. Remember Carl Reinelt? He was at our school here back in the fall, and he said, I am not what was done to me. I am what I choose to become. So remember those words. Basically, what he's saying there is, again, there are things that are out of your control. Don't let that affect your life, or try to let it affect your life as little as possible. Remember the positive things that you have and focus on them. Now, for things that you've done, everybody makes mistakes. I don't care how smart you are, how good of a person you are. Everybody makes mistakes. Little mistakes, big mistakes. It happens. There's 2 ways to react to mistakes that you've made. One is you can beat yourself up about it. Geez, oh Pete, I'm such a loser. I'm an idiot. My life's terrible. That's the wrong way to go about it. Okay, that's not going to help you out at all. The other way to go about it is to say, hey, listen, I'm still a smart person. I'm still a good person. I made a mistake, and learn from that mistake. Okay? In other words, learn how not to do that again. All right? How am I going to do things differently in the future so that this outcome doesn't happen? All right? So, again, making mistakes doesn't make you a bad person. Lots of good people make mistakes. It happens. Nobody's perfect. So, again, the key is to not repeat those mistakes. And the way you do that is you improve one little step at a time. Every day, make yourself a little bit better, okay, a little bit smarter, a little bit more aware of the decisions that you're making. And again, one small step at a time. Don't expect huge immediate changes either, by the way. Okay, if things have been rough for you in the past, don't expect them to turn around in one day. That's not the way life works. Small steps and keep getting better and better. And over time, you'll see big changes. Little changes become bigger and bigger and bigger. So keep focusing. Don't dwell on your past. Make peace with it. Learn from it and try to get better in the future. Just keep improving one little bit at a time. And after a while, you'll see a big change.